Hello, I am John from Cisco Cloud Web Security. Today, Juan and I will cover upgrading the standalone connector software for Windows. Please follow these steps to ensure that the new version installs correctly with the appropriate settings. We recommend that you perform the upgrade outside of normal office hours. Download the connector software from your ScanCenter portal. Navigate to the Program Files /Connector directory. Back up the agent.properties file by copying it onto the desktop. It contains your connector settings and will save you a lot of time during the upgrade. Run the wizard.bat file, taking care to select the uninstall options. Once uninstalled, delete the existing connector directory. Run the installer for the new version of the connector. Configure the same options as before, including the license key that is found inside the agent.properties file. After the installation finishes, open the new agent.properties file and copy over any custom settings from your backup. Do not copy and paste the Active Directory or LDAP password. It has been obfuscated for security reasons. Save your settings and restart the connector service. If you are running an enterprise connector install, you can restart the service from the Microsoft ISA Management Console or simply restart the Microsoft Firewall service in the Program Services console. Thank you.